everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you a brand new mod for Royal Match that works on both Android and iOS. Stick around because this one's got some really cool features you're going to want to see. This mod includes a handy menu you can open by tapping the gear icon in the game. From there, you can unlock unlimited stars instantly. No waiting, no hassle. Plus, there are extra options in the menu to customize your game even more. Just a quick heads up, to use this mod, make sure you have the latest version of Royal Match installed on your device. If you're wondering where to get this mod, I've got you covered in the comments below with a detailed guide on how to access it safely. If the mod works well for you, please drop a comment and share your experience. And hey, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on more awesome mods like this one. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can find this Royal Match mod at ogappbox.com. See you in the next video.